Alright, we're gonna cook some mutton snapper and some pork chorizo. We got some Italian blend cheese, some iceberg lettuce shredded, some salsa, some lime juice, some hot sauce. We got spinach wraps, we got regular wraps, some yellow rice, maybe some baked beans, maybe not. We're here at the inlet, we're gonna cook right here. Just a little cap full of olive oil. Alright, the rice is on. I made a special spice before I left the house. Alright, grab those cookie trays that are on the front. Up top. Alright guys, it's been cooking for about 4 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a flip. Nice mutton snapper. Oh, do y'all see that beautiful golden brown? And the smell is unreal. Alright guys, it's been cooking for another about 4 minutes. And looking done. We're going to pull it off and let it finish cooking on the cutting board. That's a nice mutton snapper there. We got a chorizo. We got some yellow rice. Let's see what these tacos talking about. We're gonna warm up our tortillas. With some of that nice seasoning. Good. And then we're going to take some of this chorizo, put it in there and spread it around. Okay, and then we're going to get some of this mutton. nothing but mutton. Some of this cheese. A little bit of lime. We'll call it Key West lime. Honestly, guys, I could not get this thing to open or even get a couple drops out of this Key West lime juice. There we go. A couple drops of lime. We put some iceberg lettuce. And then a little bit of salsa. So now, that's the finished product. Oh, I need a little bit of hot sauce. Some cayenne pepper, just to spicing it up a little bit. What you think, Kirk? Got a thumbs up.
Fire.
Fire. Stay tuned, we're going mutton snapper fishing later. We're just eating a little snack here at the inlet. We caught a couple ladyfish, just messing around. It's all about the journey. Alright guys, I forgot to put yellow rice on my last one, so that's my excuse to make another one. They're that good. Gotta have another. All right, we're starting over. We got chorizo. Put it on there, spread it out. Then we get some mutton snapper. Boom. Then we're gonna put some cheese. And we forgot last time to put on yellow rice. So we're gonna put that yellow rice on there this time. Nice little bit of iceberg lettuce, a little bit of salsa, a little cayenne pepper, hot sauce. Now we got us some taco, guys.
Tortilla hand wipe.
All right, me and Kurt are out here. We're mutton snapper fishing. I put on a little blue crab for bait and caught this big old margate. I guess they eat good. We got a mangrove snapper. Let's see, let's put them on the measuring thing. We got them. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Still? 17. 17-inch mangrove. That is a monster. Oh, yeah. Let's dispatch them and put them in the cooler. Dolphins out there playing. You can see them straight ahead in the center of the screen. But we didn't catch much more that night. We caught that margate and then we got that mangrove snapper. You got something on this one, this one, this one. Yes, sir. We got another mutton, 16 inches, so we gotta throw them back. Little update. We've been out here all day, all night. We ain't catch shit. We caught a mutton. Mangrove. Oh, we got a nice mangrove and a nice margate. But Kurt just pushed the mutton button. got a big thread fin on. We're gonna drift the north side of the jetty. Well, actually the inlet. We're just gonna drift. Got my mutton today, but it's too small. So look at the size of that mangrove snapper, bro. What are you doing? Perfecto. And then we got this margate Chris Cock. I'm gonna do a margate versus mangrove snapper cook later. Stay tuned.